Look at the colour uniformity across this section. It's exceptional.
Absolutely. The irrigation strategy is clearly paying off in this quadrant.
The flow rate on Sector 3 is still fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters.
Right, I'm adjusting the pressure compensation now. That should stabilise the output.
The NDVI reading on Sector 4 is lower than expected.
Yes, I see that. Adjusting the flight path for a closer look now. Reading 18.5 on this stock.
Confirmed. Moving to the next tray. This row is ready, but we need to prioritize the western section first.
Understood. I'll make a note on the manifest.
Keep it steady, nearly full.
Roger that. Bringing the next one round now.
Right then, routes 3 and 4 are clear. Proceed. Over.
We ought to divert the western approach, boss. Look at the moisture here.
Understood. Switching to Sector 5. Attention all teams. Priority 1 alert as to Sector 4. Move in now and secure the objective.
Check the vibration levels on the auxiliary drive.
It's within tolerance. Look at the readout here.
All right, bring it up slowly, stop at the barrier there.
Okay, you next pull forward to gate 2.
The sucrose levels appear consistent across the sample.
Good. We can authorize dispatch.
जो هب plahishtags besan se ban khan ke los taga chizer hai ku khanisi hai ke art ronda min hasib stadit hai.
We're showing a spike on sector 4.
Adjusting the flow rate now, it's leveling out.
All right, keep it moving.
Yeah, we're clear for the next one. Send it in.
All right, mate, bring it back another metre.
Easy now.
Perfect, she's seated correctly.
Look at the spike on the intake belt.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Levels are stabilizing.
The flow rate seems consistent now. Keep an eye on the moisture levels.
Right, I've logged the current settings on the tablet.
Keep it steady on the left.
All right, pushing the next bundle through now.
The pressure is holding steady at 52 psi.
Recovery rates look excellent on the tablet. Sample secured.
Reading at 12.5 bricks. Right where we want it.
Pressure is holding steady at 20 psi.
Good, keep the flow rate consistent.
The accumulation here is consistent with the previous batch.
Yes, the density seems slightly higher near the centre frame.
Turbidity is stable at 0.5 NTU. Let's increase the polymer feed slightly.
Confirmed. Settling rate looks good. I'm logging the adjustment now.
The flow rate looks stable at 20 litres per minute.
Confirmed. I've logged it on the system.
We're still reading high on the pH. I'm increasing the lime dosage now.
Okay, monitoring the levels. It's stabilizing. Good to go.
The reading on M4 is stable at 85, spot on for coagulation.
And the flow rate on the bypass, is that adequate?
Pressure holding steady at 3 bar.
Confirmed. Logging the reading now.
Check the differential pressure reading right here.
Yeah.
Looks good, right within tolerance levels.
I'll finalize the report.
I'm seeing a slight drop on the main condenser.
Right. Keep an eye on the feed rate.
The bricks reading is coming in at 65.2.
Okay, that's within the acceptable range for this batch. Let's log it.
The gravity readings are stable across the board.
Good. Let's maintain the flow rate here.
The pressure differential on stage 3 is still fluctuating.
Let's check the flow rate stability here at the main pump.
We're showing a slight drop in the flow rate.
Okay, I'm increasing the pressure now. It's leveling out.
Are you seeing the same flow discrepancy on gauge 4?
Yes, it's slightly high. I'll make a minor adjustment to the valve now.
Right, that should do it. The anti-foam levels are holding steady.
Excellent. The syrup clarity is improving significantly.
The vacuum pressure is fluctuating slightly above the set point.
Confirmed. Evaporation rate is stable, logging the variance now.
The stage 2 differential is stable. We can increase the steam flow to the primary manifold.
Confirmed. Opening valve gamma now.
Bricks level is steady at 65.2.
Confirmed. Density checks out. We are clear for entry.
The polysaccharose level is fluctuating at the nexus point.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
I'm bringing the curve down slightly on the secondary control.
Confirmed. We are seeing immediate refinement in the growth consistency.
The temperature gradient here seems directly correlated with the anomaly spike.
Yes, but look at the flow rate stability just before the transition point.
The flow rate is slightly high. I'm showing 47%.
Roger that. Bringing it down to stabilization. We are good to go.
Setting to 40,000 RPM now.
Confirmed. Parameters are nominal.
The flow rate is holding steady at 2.2 cubic meters.
Good, the viscosity looks consistent as well.
The flow rate on zone 3 is holding steady.
Good, temperature delta is within tolerance.
The moisture reading here seems stable.
Yes,
Yeah.
after the adjustment, we're well within the parameters.
Excellent, confirming accuracy.
Increasing the flow rate slightly. That's the spot. Bang on target.
The particle distribution looks consistent with the last batch.
Confirmed. Purity is at 99.8%.
The dissolution rate on batch 7B is significantly lower than the standard.
Yet the crystallization appears consistent. Is the assay accurate?
We're seeing a sharp rise in humidity on the north sensor array.
Ramping up the dehumidifiers. That should stabilize it.
The crystallization rate is stable, right on target.
Yes, the data confirms it. We can finalize the report.
UV levels stable at 254 nanometers.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is consistent.
Ferrous contaminant test initiated.
Confirmation on channel 3. Reading stable at 0.05.
Noted. Selecting the next rod.
I'm seeing a slight fluctuation right here.
Let's cross-reference the batch data. Okay, it's stabilized immediately. The logs are accurate. The tolerance is completely off on this one.
Right, I've noted the deviation here under CRV4.
Try increasing the frequency by 5 Hertz.
Consistent oscillation achieved.
Right, sample taken from batch 47B.
Confirmed. Transferring to vial and logging the time.
Results are consistent. Confirmed. Logging the batch as verified.
Right, the final checks are complete. I'll sign off on batch 47.
Very good.
As you can see, the filtration metrics are holding steady at 99.9%.
Yes, product integrity is fully maintained across the line.
The reading is stable at the upper limit.
Confirmed. Point of correction is within tolerance.
The airflow pressure is stabilizing nicely.
Yes, rotation speed is exactly on target now. Good adjustment.
Where would you like these placed?
Over here by the auto sampler, we need to log them before the shift ends.
This upward trend here, I'm concerned about the contamination threshold.
The mass spec confirms it's within acceptable parameters, though.
The moisture levels are acceptable against the standard. See here?
Yes, agreed. The variance is negligible.
Right. I'll check this off then.
See, right here, it's stable.
Yes, confirm safe levels across the board. Good work.
The analysis confirms the required purity levels.
Yes. We have clearance for batch release.
Checkpoint 4B is fully compliant.
Confirmed. The digital signature is verified.
The sterilization cycle data looks consistent across all batches, confirming the integrity.
Excellent.
Check the humidity reading on panel 3.
72%, holding steady. Pressure is optimal, we can proceed.
Yes, that's uploaded correctly. The QC data aligns perfectly.
Excellent. I'll finalise the report and circulate it immediately.
All parameters are within tolerance. The digital sign-off is complete. Right then.
The system is validated and ready for packaging.
Quality control is complete. The batch is approved for packaging.
We're holding steady just under the 2 kilogram mark.
Right, I'll log that adjustment now.
Adjusting to 5.2. How's that look on your end?
Reading stable. Looks like we have calibration lock.
Integrity confirmed. It's airtight.
Noted. I'll update the log.
The alignment on this one looks good.
Yes, the registration is spot on. Make a note of the batch number.
Still showing the flux 5% deviation on this one.
It's definitely the material consistency. See how it's binding here?
That pallet is clear for dispatch now.
Right, let's move it to Bay 3.
Okay, verify the count on row 3. Are we good to sign off on this shipment?
Yes, the digital manifest matches the physical count. Approved for loading.
We are slightly behind schedule on the Gulf shipments.
Yes, but the West Coast pallets are moving out smoothly now.
Is the shipment confirmed?
Yes, all details checked out. We can proceed. Oh no, I take case.
That's plenty, thank you.
Yeah. Smells wonderful already.
That's it, sweetie. Keep pouring.
It's nearly full.
We add the sugar directly to the shot, give it a quick stir, and it's ready to serve.
This pudding is brilliant, Mum.
Absolutely smashing. Could I possibly have another scoop of that custard?
The pressure is spiking again.
We need to throttle back the feed immediately.
Me, please. They're so good.
I helped make them.
Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of how sugar travels from our fields all the way to your table. Welcome, everyone. Today, I'll taking you behind the scenes of how sugar travels from our fields all the way to your table.
We should focus on that eastern section before the haze burns off.
Agreed. The data consistency is better now.
The rollers are overheating again.
Keep the water flow steady, and I'll check the pressure gauges now.
The weight tolerances are holding steady at 0.1 gram across the board.
Flawless execution. The new calibration really paid off.
Careful now, don't spill it.
Look how fast it goes. Can I stir it now?